Let me start with a quick personal story, because this is something I learned the hard way. For years, I did what everyone said you're supposed to do to get traffic online. I ran Facebook ads and crossed my fingers. I spent hours recording videos, editing them, uploading them, and watching the views barely move. I bought expensive tools that promised the world but required weeks of setup and constant babysitting. And at the end of the day, the results never matched the effort. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, but still not getting buyers, not just clicks, you're not alone. Here's the real truth most people won't tell you. Today's buyers are not sitting on your landing page waiting to be convinced. They're not scrolling ads with their credit card in hand. They're already having conversations. They're asking questions. They're complaining, comparing, and looking for recommendations inside YouTube comments, Reddit threads, Twitter replies, and niche discussions. That's where real buying intent lives. The problem is not that traffic is gone. The problem is that traffic moved, and most marketers are still looking in the wrong places.
Think about the last time you bought something online. You probably searched for reviews, read comments, or checked what real people were saying. That's exactly what your potential customers are doing right now. They're typing things like, "Is this worth it? What's the best tool for?" Or "How do I fix this problem fast?" Those are buying signals. Whoever shows up first with a helpful, relevant reply usually wins the click, and very often the sale. Speed and timing matter more than ever. Now here's where things get tricky. Manually finding those conversations is exhausting. You have to search constantly, refresh pages, read through endless posts, and try to reply fast enough before the thread is buried. And if you try to scale it with cheap bots or outsourced comments, you either get ignored or flagged as spam. I've been there, and it's frustrating. That's why this caught my attention in a big way. TrafficSiphon AI was built specifically for this new internet. It's not another ad tool, it's not a generic traffic bot. It's an automated comment traffic engine designed to find buyer intent and act on it instantly. You simply tell it what keywords matter in your niche, the kind of tone you want your brand to sound like, and the call to action you want people to see. From there, it monitors platforms like YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, and more 24 hours a day. When someone posts or comments using those buyer keywords, TrafficSiphon AI generates a contextual, natural-sounding reply that actually fits the conversation. It doesn't look robotic. It doesn't post great post nonsense. It responds with value, with relevance, and with perfect timing. Your link or call to action is placed naturally inside the reply, and it's posted before most people even see the thread. That early position is everything, because that's where the attention flows.
What I really like is that this runs in the background. You don't have to sit at your computer all day. You don't have to guess where to post. You don't have to burn money testing ads. The system doesn't sleep. It doesn't miss viral discussions, and it doesn't let your competitors get there first. Every single reply is an opportunity to pull highly targeted traffic from people who are already interested in what you offer. There's also a bigger opportunity here that most people overlook. TrafficSiphon AI comes with a commercial license, which means you can actually offer this as a service. Local businesses, coaches, e-commerce stores, and agencies all need traffic, but they don't want to manage conversations all day. You can set this up for them, charge a monthly retainer, and let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling. And yes, there's a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it, see how it works in your niche, and decide for yourself with zero risk. The internet has changed, and the way traffic works has changed with it. Traffic doesn't come from shouting louder or spending more on ads. It comes from being present in the right conversations at the right moment. With TrafficSiphon AI, you're not chasing traffic anymore. You're positioning yourself exactly where attention already exists. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.